In this session, we will learn basic commands of mkdir, rmdir, touch command and cp. These are the commands of regular usage of a creation of directories, removing the directories, and creation of the files, and bulk files creation at the same single time, and copying the files from source to destination. These are the regular usage, very much basics are required to know about these commands. One by one we will discuss in this session. Now let's start with the mkdir. It's making a directory, creating a directory. Now we will see here I'm using the mkdir command to create a directory. Name is my dir. Sorry, very little utter confusion it will create. Mkdir. I want to create one folder. Name is tutorial. Yeah, mkdir tutorial. I have hit the enter ls. Now here you will check the directory name of tutorial will be displayed here. Yeah, this is the folder. Have you observed here? I want to be a little bit. Yes, the directory it is created here. It's on a tutorial. Okay, now I am changing the directory. cd change directory to tutorial. Hit enter. It's an empty directory. It is created. That's it. All you have to know the command is mkdir space and tutorial 1. Now I have already created tutorial. No, it's a tutorial 1 directory is created. That's it. How you enjoy with the fun of the using of the commands when you are on terminal and you are practicing, you will have a good command. That good command means the good understanding and strength you will get it. Alright, now the second command we will practice it for rmdir. It's a removing directory. Once we have created tutorial and tutorial 1, two folders over here, we will try to remove. Yes, zoom out. Yes, this is the tutorial 1 is also available here. You see here this one. We will remove to that particular directory. And before removing the directory, any of the directory, you kindly observe that any of the data internally are available and which is accessible. It won't be permit you to remove, or else if you are removing the system wide configuration and all, please be clear with that remove by using the remove command. It's a command is rmdir space tutorial 1. Hit enter. Check now. The tutorial 1 is not available while s. Before removing the directory, here you will observe that this is a tutorial 1 folder. The directory is available here. Now we implemented that we ran the command of rmdir space the tutorial 1, which directory with the option of the directory we are specifying here, and while I am hit the ls command, there is a no tutorial 1 directory here, hence it is removed. Okay, now we will see the one more command. It is a touch. The touch command is using for the creating of the files, the single file or any number of files. It depends upon your requirement. We'll see now. Touch file hurry. Okay, hit enter. ls the file hurry is available here. You will observe here. This is only I'm showing you a single file creation, whereas I'm going to tutorials folder. I want to give you a good demonstration of the touch beneficence. cd space tutorial here. ls, is there anything data? I'm entered into the tutorial folder. I'm verifying, is there any data here? Nothing. Using the touch command, I'm creating how many? I will tell you, just a second. Yep, test file. See, test file of 1 to 2000 files I'll going to create it. Okay, how? With the extension also you need to specify as your wish. Let's see, touch file name curly braces 1 to 2000 files. I promised you to create 2000 with the extension of txt. See how the command, by hitting one enter only, I'm creating 2000.txt with extension of .txt files on the folder of tutorial. Will you see? Shall I hit the enter? See, done. Shall I press ls? See, these are the files. How many files are there here? 2000 files by hitting one single command, and having a 2000 text files are available here. Have you seen? That is the beauty. Simply such type of beauties are available by using the commands of the play with the roles. See, the touch space, the file name, which file name you want to, and curly braces open, the numeric digit from 1 to begin dot dot up to 2000. You may specify your number, depends upon space required on your hard drive. You can specify the n number of files. Dynamically it will assign the number what it's there. And the extension of the file name I have mentioned here with my requirement is for the .txt, and also you try with your own extension and the numeric digit, the name of the file, and changing and create with the whatever, with the better to have in a group. You specify create a folder, go to the folder, and there you do the things. Otherwise you confuse it by mixing the system files and all, and as a learning stage you will not able to understand what is the system file and what is the not system file and all. Alright, that's what about the touch command will give you a more advantage and creation of the files. Now one more command we will see in this session is cp. It's nothing but copy. The copy command, it's a cp. The copy command simply will use for to creation of zoom in. The command utilization and basic syntax is cp space source. First we need to source where we need to take the copy appropriately, either files or directories, and space destination. This is the syntax of the copy command. Please make note. And also earlier also touch file we have used, that is also you need to write down and see. This is the basic syntax, and between here after the copy there is an options are also there, many options. I can simply tell you simple option is that -r vf the option. If you mention this, many things will happen. I will detailedly explain you later. And here by using the cp command, what we will do, we'll make it as an tutorial 1 folder again, and what is the content of tutorial folder, that 2000 files will move copy into the tutorial folder 1. Okay, for that mkdir tut1, that's enough. Okay, now we are changing to tutorial directory. Yes, now ls, everything is showing here. cp space, now see command I am using, just a second, no, it's not visible here. Why it's not visible? I want to minimize this. Yeah, here now you will see cp space, I have created what I have created. Now the command is tut1, the folder name is tut1. My requirement is that using the cp command to copy of the tutorial, these are all the text files, to tut folder, tut1 folder. For that the purpose, I will do that using copy space tutorial tutorial space tut the 1. Okay, cp tutorial 1 to tutorial 1 folder, what it's having all inside the folder. All right, yeah, hit enter, omitting the directory. Yeah, something is having what we need to, such errors and obligation, we need to use, I have told you right now, no, -r, recursively copy enter the things, cd space tut1, the operation is done. Now hit ls, tutorial directory, it's a mentioned if mention the slash over there, after the slash the files only copied, we have not mentioned over the slash here, after the tutorial slash here, hence the directory it is copied. Okay, it's okay, as per testing only. No, you to also practice and know about these all the things. Now now hit the ls. Yes, these are the files. Now where I am, check with the command of pwd, present working directory, where you want to know I have logged in there, I have logged in here, and all the things. You have mixed many things. Now I want to know where I am. That such situation, you can hit pwd to know your current and present working directory. It's an tut1 and home the tutorial. Okay, we have copied successfully under the tutorial folder from tutorial 1 folder, tut1. Okay, now why we are used -r is here. If any not accessible and not accessible nothing, so maybe some utilizing, some using and current uses of files, likewise errors may occur while accessing the files. If you are used -r, recursively straight away it will take the file and copy here. And v means verbosely, option -r, -b, and -f means forcefully it will take the copy from there and it will be pushed here in a fast manner. Alright, that's all about using the copy command. You try to practice with the directory or single file and all using the cp-r source and destination. -r source and destination. Okay, hope you understand. Be practice more and more and get the command on Linux. You will definitely from 0 to hero you will be and master on the Linux operating systems. Thank you.